Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I got the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta Comfortline Sport. I'm going to be doing an oil change. If you own a GLI of the same year, the oil change process is a little different. There's a couple of things that are different in that car. I have another video, go and watch that. This is for regular Jettas. The oil filter housing is on top, but for the regular Jettas it's on the bottom. They use a canister, and then oil fill plug is here for the Jettas, and for the GLIs it's at the back right here. So a couple things that are different. So I got the car on the ramps, and then I also have wheel chucks at the back. There's this plastic cover that needs to be taken off, a bunch of Torx all around it. In the GLI they did not have this. The cover's off, and it was held by 8 T27s, 3 T45s, and 2 of these fasteners. Yeah, 3 different kinds, and also some pry bar action. This is the oil pan, 19mm drain plug, and this is the oil filter right here, canister. The oil pan's metal, unlike the GLI. They had the plastic one on that one. That's a good thing. This is the new oil filter, and I got this tool that helps you remove this canister if it's stuck. Let's see if I can remove it by hand, or otherwise I'm gonna have to use this. So I couldn't take off the oil filter with hand. I had to use that tool. All right, now it's loose. Okay, this is the original Volkswagen filter that came off the car, and this is the new Wix one that I'm going to put on. The Wix one's a little taller, but same size. Put some oil on the gasket. So it's not dry. That's it. So this car with the 1.5 liter engine takes 4.3 liters of SAE 0W20 European, and I'm using Ames oil. Okay, let's start the car, warm it up a little, and get it off the ramps, and then we'll check the level. Okay, so I took the dipstick out and wiped it. Let's check the oil level now. Okay, the level looks great. Thanks for watching, everyone.